Hello, today I wanted to show you how to add users or staff to your Shopify store so other people can edit and modify things within your Shopify store. So in order to do this, make sure you're logged into your admin dashboard and go ahead and click on settings in the bottom left hand corner. Go ahead and click on users and permissions, and then there should be an add staff button here. Go ahead and press add staff and then put in the name. So I'm going to do Brady Tech Dive, and I'll do Brady plus testing at ticotechnologies.co, and then go ahead and select the permissions that you want. You can get pretty granular. So if you open up one of these accordions here, so for example orders, you can go ahead and give them permissions to a very detailed level of what you want them to be able to do for each of these options here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all. It'll give me a little warning that says you're granting sensitive permissions, which is fine because it's just me. So I'm going to send the invite, and then I'll show you the email. So once you get the email, this is what it's going to look like, or the person that you're inviting, this is what they're going to see. So go ahead and press create staff account, or they will press create staff account, and then it'll lead you through creating a new account or adding an account, or if they already have an account connected to that email, it'll let them log in and add their store there. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.